Hey guys, so today I will be doing a burping video. Yep, and this has been a highly requested video for over 6 months. Yeah, um, I have been slacking, but I'm going to do it now, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So let's get on with the video. And before we start, here's some of the people that have been requesting this video. Hey guys, so this is voiceover me. I did not get to put the people that voted for this video in this part, so I put it at the end. So yeah. I can't. Why is this the most highly requested video? I'm not sure. Cheers. Wait. You enjoy me burping? Comment down below what else I should do. Because I don't know much to do. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And yeah, bye guys. Bye.
My youth is yours, tripping on skies, sipping waterfalls. My youth is yours, run away now and forever. My youth is yours, a truth so loud.